Hello everyone. I hope everyone is safe and sound at home in this pandemic. And today I am going to teach you class 9 mathematics, one of the most important chapter which is called circle. This is not the first time that you are coming across circle. You have learned many things about circle, but I hope that I am positive and I am hoping that I am going to give you some more learning about circle to you in this particular class. Whatever till date you have learned, the things which you have learned are about circle is that the first thing which you know about circle is that you know how to draw or construct a circle. So construction you might be knowing. Second, you some of the terms which are related to circle, which you might be knowing is that about radius you might be knowing. Okay, you also know about diameter. Fine. What else you know about circle? You know about area of a circle. Correct. You know the formula for area of a circle, and few of you might be also knowing that how we have derived that area of a circle formula. So if you don't know, I will just give you some link. You watch those videos and you will understand. If you don't understand, I will again tell you how the derivation of a formula for getting area of a circle is has come or explored. Next, you have learned circumference of a circle. Very good. You know the formula for getting circumference of a circle. Correct. Circumference of a circle. Okay. So the formula, if we are talking about area, is pi r square and the circumference is 2 pi r. So these are the things which you are knowing, okay, from your previous classes. So if you are not knowing, you should know all these things. And now we are going to learn something new about circle. So my most important question to you is that, okay, you know circle, you know the formula, everything you know. The question which is very important is that why we are learning circle. Why we are learning circle. Why we are learning circle. That is the question. Why you are learning circle? Okay. Actually, this question should come from your end, but no problem. I am asking this question. Why we are learning circle? Okay, because it is in the syllabus. Very good. Okay. What else? If it is not in the circle, then also there is no need of learning circle. Why we are learning circle? Yes. Most of the object around us which we see are circular in nature and which we use in our day-to-day life. Can you give me the name of some object which we use in our day-to-day life? How you have come to school? Bus, cycle, okay, car. So can we get any circular object in all these three things by which transport of which you have come? Yes, they are wheels, correct. The steering, yes. The wheels, the steering, so all these things. Okay, so yes, the wheels. The wheels are circular in nature. Next, what else? Pulley, yes, correct. You are pulley. Potter's wheel, yes, Potter wheels is also a wheel. So potter's wheel, but it is used for some specific other purposes. Even pulley is also a wheel. So not only that, the wheels, you can see that they are circular, but inside those wheels which are fixed with, there is a bearing. That is also circular in nature. So most of the things which used in movement, taking things from one place to another, okay, are in circular in nature. Okay. So whether the wheels of a train you are talking about or whether you are talking about the wheels of a car, all the wheels in the world are circular in nature, 99.99%. Okay, but still there are some wheels which has been discovered, which has been made, okay, which are not circular. You can search Google and show me some pictures in the next class. So apart from that, the movement of some things are also circular in nature, like circular motion you might have learned in physics. Okay, the fan which are rotating, they are also circular. Okay, the earth rotating the sun is almost a circular path. Rotation of earth, rotation of sun. So all these things are circular in nature. And to understand this circular motion or some other functioning of devices which are circular in nature, you should know circle properly. Once you know circle properly, you can able to analyze in much more deeper sense of those functioning of those wheels or those pulleys, okay, or some engineering devices which we are using in some of the appliances, okay. So you will have a better understanding, and that is the reason why we are learning circle. So now it is clear that why you are learning circle. Okay, so some more whatever I have spoken about. Apart from that, whatever areas where you are using circle, it is your homework that you should bring by the next day. Okay, so you understand the importance of circle, why there is a need of learning circle. Next, what we are going to learn, how to draw. You know how to draw a circle. So which device we are using to draw a circle? Compass. Okay, so here I am having a virtual compass which I will be using to draw a circle. Yes. So I'll take the radius as 5 centimeter. Can we change the color? Yes, we'll change the color. Okay, I have changed the color. Then I will draw it. So this is a circle of radius exactly 5 centimeter. So the needle of the compass is lying at some places. Can you tell me which place of the circle it is? Which part of the circle it is? Yes, it is the center of a circle. Yes, this point is the center of the circle. Now our work for compass is done. We will disappear. We'll remove this. Okay. Now from the center, if I draw a line which touches the other point of the circle, what we call this line? Yes, we call it radius. You are correct. We call it radius. Very good. So this is your radius. Okay. Now from the center, whatever line you draw, okay, which touches the circle, any part of a circle, the length of the line will be radius and it will be always equal. Whichever line you draw. I will show you some more example. These all lines which are starting from the center of the circle and touching the circle. Okay. They all are radius and they are of equal length. Like OA, you can name different name. OB, OC, OD, they all are circular in, they all are of same length. Okay. So OA, OB, OC, OD, they all are same length and we call them radius. Okay. We represent it by R. So I can say here OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD and all, and they are called radius, or it is represented by small r. So this is the radius of a circle. So can we define circle? Can you define circle? Okay. What is a circle? Okay. So let me define a collection of collections. Okay. A collection of all the points from a fixed point collection of all the points from a fixed point through a fixed distance, or a specific distance, we can say through a fixed distance, is called circle. Okay, so this fixed point which we are talking about is nothing but it is the center of the circle, this point we are talking about. So this is called center. And when we are talking about collection of all the points, so I am talking about these points. These are all points which I am just putting with red color. There are infinite points. Okay, not only this point, there are many, n number of points, infinite points. So when we are collecting all those points and we are joining from a fixed point center at a fixed distance which is of radius, it is called the circle. Okay, the plane figure which we are getting is a circle. So that is all about the definition of a circle. Okay. So I hope you have understand what is circle. So you have to learn this definition because in filling the blanks it can come, and nowadays it is coming as a filling the blanks, so it can come. Okay, so you learn the definition properly and you try to understand also. Next I am going to talk about parts of a circle or terms related to circle. So different parts of a circle or terms related to circle, parts Okay, parts of a circle or different terms which we are using in circle, because that terms will be used in question. So you should be very much aware about those terms properly. So let me draw one more circle with the help of a, yes, right, compass. Let me adjust the size of it to 5 centimeter, correct. Let me move little bit down, let me change the color of it. Fine, and I will draw a circle. Now one by one I am going to talk about all the different parts of a circle. So before that, let me take the center of a circle. Okay, so this is the center of a circle. So first thing which I am going to talk about is, suppose I have drawn one line from one part. So a line joining two different points of a circle. A line which is joining two different points of a circle. Can anyone tell me what it is? AB? Yes, it is called chord. Very true. You are right. It is called chord. So that is called the chord of a circle. Let me give name to the center. It is called chord of a circle. So it is called chord. Now the area which is lying below the chord, below AB, line AB, and which is inside the circle, what it is called? The area bounded by the chord are called segments. Now there are two segments. One is this small area which is called minor segment, and there is another area which is above this chord. Okay, another area which is above this chord, this shaded area which is above the chord, what we call, this is also called segment, but it is called major segment. Major segment. Okay, now if we go along the boundary of a circle from point A to B, we can go from two different way. One way is this one. Okay. One is this one. Just I am trying to go along the boundary of the circle. So if you can see, so we are getting a curve line. Okay. We are getting a curved line. So this actually curved line, which is the boundary of a circle from point A to B, the downside which is smaller, this is also having some specific term. This is called arc, and this is small, so it is called minor arc. Okay, it is called minor arc. And then there is a boundary which is above the circle. If I just go on this boundary, this length, okay, which is on the top. Okay, this is a little difficult to overlap here. And this, so this length, this is also called arc. Okay, curvilinear length, and this is also called arc, but this is called major arc. It is called major arc. Okay, so we have understand about the chord, we have understand about segment, minor segment, major segment, arc, minor arc and major arc. Okay, now one more information I want to give you regarding this chord. A chord which passes from the center of a circle is called, okay, again I am saying, a chord which is passing from the center of a circle touching the other two points of circle is called the diameter of circle, and that is the longest chord. So diameter is called the longest chord of the circle. So I will take a white color and just follow this. This is a chord, okay, which is the longest chord of a circle, and it is called diameter. Okay, and above that chord, whatever chords we are getting, those all are smaller than this. So this is called diameter, and this is the longest chord. Longest chord. Okay, and above that diameter, whatever chord you have drawn, they all are smaller compared to diameter, and below diameter also, whatever chords you have drawn, they are also smaller. So as you go away from the diameter, the chords started decreasing in their length. Okay, so diameter is the longest chord. So the next part only left is about sector. So we'll talk about sector here. So again we need to draw one circle. So let me draw that circle. So this is a circle. Let me take the center of this circle. This is the center of a circle, and from here I will draw two radius. Okay, one is this and another one is this, and let me give some name to it. O, this is A and this is B. Okay, so OA is also a radius and OB is also a radius. So inside these two radius there is an area which is bounded by it, and this area is called sector. This area is called sector, and since this area is comparatively smaller than the area which is bounded upside, this is called minor sector. This is called minor sector, and the area which is bounded upside of between these two radius, this area which I am shading here, this is all area. Okay, the total area, the entire area which is bounded, these are called major sectors since it is bigger in area compared to the down one. So it is called major sector. So I hope you have enjoyed this session and you have learned many things, different parts of the circle, why there is a deed of circle, and the definition of a circle. In my next video, I am going to teach about different theorems which are very important for solving sums. But before solving those theorems, you should understand that theorems, and that's why these terms are important. So go through this video again and again and revise your knowledge about different terms related to circle. Thank you everyone for watching.